Uh, Good day, everyone. This is my keynote speech on the 21st ICTEL 2020, or the International Conference on Teaching, Education, and Learning. So, even if there's a pandemic, our government is working on a way to continue the education of our children through flexible learning methods. There have been many trials in our education sectors. Others says postponing in the education of the children first, but our education agencies have not given up to promote and continue the education of our children. One of their ways is to use e-learning in a way that is purely online. And then the child will only study in their homes with the help of their parents. In other countries for a long time, there's what is called distance education, or others they call blended learning with a mixed face-to-face and online mode. Other education is now embedded in Education 4.0, which means it is fully accessible through remote platforms. It is the use of various gadgets such as computers, tablets, mobile phones, or even smart TVs just to deliver the information to be learned of children from basic education to tertiary level. In graduate school, the approach is becoming distance education, or so-called transnational university, as I came from the University of the Philippines, Open University. Even the use of video conferencing such as Google Meet and Zoom is also a way of delivering instruction from basic education to graduate school education now that there's a pandemic. This simply means that our teacher becomes creative by using various educational technology platforms just to deliver quality education. It can be said that our education sector is ready for the 21st century education and globalization. The proper use of educational technology is just one way to promote the education of our children, especially now that there is no guarantee of a cure for the widespread COVID-19. So my advice to all is that we should embrace technology we have and grow even more to be more meaningful. Even Thorndike, the proper use of educational technology is just one way to promote the education of our children, especially now there is no guarantee of a cure for the widespread COVID-19. So online teaching and learning are going to be more regular, and teachers must be prepared to learn more creative adaptive learning management system. What is new that schools and colleges are embracing it as a vital to how the next generation of learners are taught using the learning management systems platform. So as you see, this is the learning management system platform that has a many platforms that connected on it. In a world where disasters and disruptions are increasingly becoming the norm, it is important for schools and universities to train teachers on how to use learning management systems and to encourage them to devote their time teaching online, at least as a drill mechanism to prepare for unexpected events. It is not just about the pandemic we are experiencing right now. You will see more classes being conducted through web video conferencing such as Zoom, Skype, Viber, and Google Meet. Some schools and universities will use a learning management system, LMS, such as Google Classroom, Moodle, Blackboard, Learn, and Canvas, to enable students to complete assignments, deliver presentations, take assignments, and receive an immediate response from their teachers online. So this is a type of homeschooling wherein it can be done remotely anytime they want, as long as they can do the task they need to do with the students. It also be the start of using virtual reality and augmented reality technologies. As you see, it can be done remotely, realistically, in absence of the physical scenarios. So, in times of the global pandemic virus today, which is COVID-19, learning management system is the most effective flexible learning can be used by the student. So for final word, be dynamic and adapted with the new learning environment. Thank you and good luck to our presentation and conference. Good day and God bless.